Censure. To strongly criticize someone or something, usually in an official way. Example: the committee decided to censure the member for his inappropriate behavior. Beguile. To make someone like you or trust you, often by tricking them. Example: she tried to beguile her guests with delicious homemade desserts. Enigma. Someone or something that is hard to understand or figure out. Example: despite years of research, the origin of the artifact remains an enigma. Debilitate. To make someone or something weaker or take away their energy. Example: the prolonged illness began to debilitate her, making daily tasks difficult. Sagacious. Having a sharp mind and making good decisions, smart or wise. Example: the sagacious leader was respected for her ability to make sound decisions under pressure. Gallant. Bold, noble, and honorable in difficult situations. Example: the gallant soldier was awarded a medal for his bravery in battle. Magnanimous. Being kind and forgiving, especially to someone you may be competing with or who is less powerful. Example: despite their rivalry, she was magnanimous in victory and congratulated her opponent sincerely. Quagmire. A tough, complicated, or risky situation. Example: the company found itself in a quagmire after the unexpected financial crisis. Iconoclast. A person who challenges or criticizes widely accepted beliefs or institutions. Example: as an iconoclast, she challenged traditional practices within the organization. Reciprocal. Given, felt, or done as a response or in return, shared by both sides. Example: they have a reciprocal agreement to share resources and information. Facetious. Not taking serious issues seriously and joking about them in a disrespectful way. Example: his facetious remarks during the meeting were not well received by his colleagues. Utopia. A made-up place or situation where everything is perfect. Example: many authors have envisioned a utopia where society lives in harmony and peace. Ignominious. being so bad or wrong that it brings public shame or embarrassment. Example: the team's ignominious defeat was a major setback for their season. Hubris. Having too much pride or being overly confident in yourself. Example: his hubris led him to underestimate his competitors, resulting in his downfall. Nefarious. Evil or related to a crime. Example: the nefarious activities of the gang were eventually exposed by the police. Languish. To struggle or feel weak because of being in a bad situation. Example: the project began to languish due to a lack of funding and interest. Pensive. Thinking deeply or seriously about something. Example: she looked pensive as she contemplated the future of her career. Oblivious. Not noticing or not caring about what is going on around you. Example: he was oblivious to the noise around him as he focused on his book. Vicarious. Felt or experienced in your mind by imagining what someone else is going through. Example: she lived a vicarious life through the novels she read, imagining herself in the characters' adventures. Trepidation. A feeling of worry or nervousness about something that might happen. Example: he approached the interview with some trepidation, worried about making a good impression. Alacrity. Quick and happy willingness to do something. Example: she accepted the invitation with alacrity, excited to join the celebration. Xenophobia. A strong dislike or unfair treatment of people from other countries. Example: xenophobia can lead to discrimination and social tension within communities. Banal. So unoriginal that it becomes predictable and boring. Example: the movie's plot was banal, offering nothing new to the genre. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more knowledgeable videos.